Hi guys, welcome back. This is Pinku, and in today's video I will review one product. This is from Jovis. This is their shea butter moisturizer, which is for normal to dry skin. So today I'm going to review. So if you have a dry skin and you are looking for a moisturizer, then please keep on watching. So this is the packaging of the product, and it is rupees 105, 105 rupees for 50 grams of the product. And the active ingredients are shea butter, apple juice, grapeseed oil, sandal extract and peach extract. So these all extracts and ingredients are good for dry skin. And this is the method of use is wash face preferably with Jovis strawberry face wash, and apply a small quantity of Jovis shea butter moisturizer all over face and neck, and then leave on. So this product claims to hydrate, moisturize, and it has antioxidant properties, and it contains other herbal ingredients, a variety of botanical and fruit extracts. It is great for dehydrated skin. So I have a very dry skin, so I'm using since a very long time, and it is a great product for dry skin, but I don't think it will go for oily skin person, because the cream is very thick, and it needs a good massage to apply evenly. So the consistency of the product is very thick and still very creamy, and it applies smoothly but needs a good massage, and it smells fruity, which is a very good scent. I like to use this cream basically on the daytime and the evening time when I wash my face with a face wash. And I don't use the strawberry face wash. I go for my normal face wash, which is also specified for dry skin. But still, it's a very good moisturizer, and it is also very affordable option for everyone. And Jovis is always making herbal products for their consumers. So there is a great benefit of using herbal products, because these creams doesn't have any side effects, only for dry skin. I don't think oily skin can go for this cream, because this cream is already very thick, so it will make your skin, if you have oily skin, it will make your skin more oily. I think the only thing which it doesn't have is SPF, because this is a moisturizer for all time. Like if you use it at the daytime, you have to use a SPF or sunscreen after this. So that's the thing it lacks behind. Otherwise, it's a very good moisturizer, and I preferably use it whenever I am at home. And if I'm going out, I use this moisturizer and apply my sunscreen over it. So if you have a very dry skin like me, do purchase this product, and try using this product at least once in a day, and let me know if you like this product. And that's about it. So finally, pros of this product is it is herbal product, and it is affordable option, and the shelf life is 3 years, which is a great thing. You can keep this for minimum 3 years, sorry, maximum 3 years. And the next thing is it smells good, and it is great and very great for dry skin, especially for the people who have flaky skin or ashy skin. It is great for them. But the cons are it doesn't have a SPF, and it is not suitable for oily skin, though it claims to be only for dry skin and normal skin. But I think normal skin also will feel some oil on their skin. And otherwise, it's a very great cream, and I will definitely repurchase this product. I hope you really enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and make sure you share this video to all your friends. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.